water plant.
Yeah. There's my boy watering the plants. Oops. I think the water coming out.
I think the water's finished.
It's finished?
The water's finished.
So what will you do then? What you want to do now? Since the water is finished.
I put all the water.
Hmm?
I put all the water.
You have to fill with water.
It's
Do you,
working.
do you know how to fill it with water?
Mm.
Don't put in your mouth. Do you know how to fill water in your watering can? Huh?
Not to fill. Mommy, want to put water?
Yeah.
Mommy, want to put water?
Okay, I will open the faucet. You put the can inside. Down. Okay, go, put. Put the water. Bravo. Put it nicely so the water will go inside. There you go. Okay, I think finish. Okay, finish. Close the door. Oh, Mamma Mia! Accident! What happened? No water, the water. Natapon. Oh, you had an accident.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Mamma Mia. We will clean, huh?
It's clean the wipes.
Yeah, with wipes. Okay, we will get the wipes. The wipes is inside. Okay, finish your... Poor boy. Oh. What happened?
Mommy's sick.
Huh?
Mommy, you want to get the wipes?
Yeah, I will.
Yuck!
Where is yuck?
Yuck!
Why yuck?
I think the one.
Oh, there's nothing. It's only dirty. We can clean it.
To
No
clean the
problem.
wipes.
Yeah, with wipes.
To clean the wipes.
Yeah.
Oh no, water.
Well, where's your water now?
Oh, no water.
Okay, use the spray better. It's more safe.
Oh no.
More safe for you, the spray. Because, yeah, the water won't spill. Go try to spray.
The water spilled.
No, you want to spray. It's better for you. Try. See? It's nice. See? Okay, to the plants. Spray to the plants, Fons. Oh, not on your face. Oh. Crazy.
Crazy.
Oh, no. No. To the plants. The plants needs water. No, Fons. No, not in your mouth. It's not a drinking water. Fons, see? It's not a drinking water. Okay. Spray to the plants. Look what the plants are waiting. They're waiting for the water. Ew. Are you drinking water? Huh? It's not a drinking water. Absolutely not. Cannot drink. Yeah. Spit it out. It's not safe to drink. Tanim ni Fancy.
Is that Fatima?
Yeah, it's that Fatima. It's aloe vera, alugbati, kangkong over there,
That's the
and
cockle.
seedlings, okra, and
Where's-
tomatoes.
Where's Fatima?
It's in her house.
I spray water.
Yeah. Oh. the plants. Finish, Fons?
I spit it out.
You spit it out the water? Yeah, of course you cannot drink water.
I cannot drink water.
Yes, exactly, because it's not a drinking water. Don't put in your mouth.
Or you'll be outside.
I saw you. You drink water. You cannot drink water, Fons.
Hmm.
Huh? You cannot.
Waste mommy hands.
Huh?
I waste mommy hands.
Okay. Look at those plants. They are waiting for the water. Come on, don't put in your mouth. It's dirty. It's not clean. Come on. Spray to the.
Waiting.
Yeah. Good job.
Do like coming.
Yeah. Go play.
Do like
I play. Spray. No, not in your mouth. Mama is not happy with this. I will not allow you to spray water, to spray anymore. Bubulol na si Mami.
Thank you, mommy's happy.
Hmm? No, Fons, no. Fonzie. Why the more I say no, the more you want to do it. Huh? Yuck! Fonzie! Okay, finish. Finish na. You get inside na. Okay, bye. Fonzie, bye.